So before we start heading off, got the Jazz on the trailer. Now the track day, I guess you'd call it, that we're going to is just kind of like a test and tune. So we're just going to try out the Jazz, learn a bit of the kinks. Now the wheels we do have on it, these RPF ones, the rears are actually slightly small. The rears are perfect size. The fronts are I think a 16 with a 40 sidewall and 8 wide, but it's quite close, and just driving around my property, it just scrubs a little bit. Really slow corners, but like really tight. So we're gonna see if those work, and hopefully they don't scrub. If the track's really tight and small, they probably will. So I have just chucked the old wheels in here. So worst case scenario, we just chuck them on. They're obviously not as great. They got crappy tires. These ones are nice Advan ones, which these would obviously do a lot better. But yeah, we'll hopefully get away with these, and yeah, give it a go. So we're at the track now. We're gonna go out. We've actually just done 2 runs, and damn, that sounds pretty good. Yeah, we've done a couple of runs, so we'll take you out now, just so we got a feel of the track. I actually ended up leaving the RPF ones on. They do rub a little bit, but only like when you're fully, like almost full lock. So we went around, it seems to be fine. It rubs a little bit, but it's, you know, it seems to be fine. But we'll chuck you in for a ride, and yeah, have fun watching, I guess. So we're back here, back at home, and the Jazz is in one piece, as you see. Yeah, it actually went really well, and yeah, we didn't really have any major issues on the car, which I think is really good for a try it out kind of day. We were kind of just, there was no lap times recorded or anything like that. It was just really see how the car goes and hopefully nothing breaks and kind of sort everything out. The wheels actually weren't too bad. It was scrubbing just a little bit on the inner guards, a little bit just because these are quite big. The rears were all good, but yeah, the front's just rubbing a little bit. It's just because there's so much travel in the spring, and so when we're really, you know, chuck it in the corner, this just, you know, comes down to the tire. And you can see on the tire, there's no, you know, damage to it, which is good. So all we need to do, I reckon, is just get some coilovers, and that'll sort that out. But yeah, pretty much Jazz actually did really well, considering, and yeah, we'll definitely go to many more. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the footage we got and the Jazz ripping it around the track. Had a couple of laughs, and yeah, it was really cool.